Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Riana Buja Kamila. I want to make Wedang Secang with is rich in health benefit. These are the ingredients. Let's make it with me. Enjoy watching. Okay, first, wash secang, lemongrass, ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom until clean. Second, crush the ginger. Third, boil the water. Wait until it boils. Then add secang, lemongrass, cinnamon, and cardamom over low heat until fragrant. Wait for about 3 minutes. After that, add ginger, rock sugar, and brown sugar. Stirring occasionally. Then, turn off the stove and wait for the wedang secang to cool. And then, strain the wedang secang into the teapot. After that, put the filter into the bottle. Last, add the packaging label. Finally, the wedang secang ready to be distributed.